Today we present a recipe for a wonderful multigrain flour bread, made with the SUN20 by Sunmix, the compact-sized professional mixer for all new aspiring pizza makers and master chefs. 10 kilos multigrain flour, 15 gram yeast, 300 gram salt, 300 gram olive oil, and powered by a variable speed drive from 70 up to 110 RPM, the SUN20 is a countertop mixer with a 20 kilo dough capacity. We pour all the flour into the bowl, let it run at 70 RPM and add the yeast. After a minute, we can start adding the water gradually. 6 kilos water. Once the dough has shaped up, we add the salt. We increase the RPM little by little. When we see the dough has a smooth and complex consistency, we add, slowly, the oil as the last ingredient. The bread is ready.